How to create a diamond checkerboard design in Affinity Photo using procedural texture. Go to the Layers panel and click down here, Add Pixel Layer. Go to Edit and fill that layer with black. Click Apply. Then go to the Layer menu, New Live Filter Layer, Colors and Procedural Texture. And this creates a live filter layer. Go down to the bottom, click R 3 times. Set A to 1, set B to 1, set C to 25. And these are just the defaults. Go to the equations and click the plus and create this equation. Make certain the R, G and B are all active. Now this is a live filter layer, you can modify it at any time. And you can change the value of the A, maybe make it 5. B, set that to 2. Or maybe make C 50. And you can also save the preset by clicking here. Create preset. And just close the panel. In the Layers panel now, you can see you've got procedural texture. You can double click that to edit it at any time. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please leave in the comments below. Thank you much.